An indirect object is the person or thing that receives something indirectly in a sentence. It usually comes between the verb and the direct object. For example, in the sentence, the teacher gave the students cake. The students are the indirect object who receive the cake. An indirect object is a noun or pronoun that receives the direct object in a sentence. It answers the questions to whom or for whom something is given or done. The basic structure is subject, verb, indirect object, and then direct object. In the sentence, teacher gave students cake, the word students is the indirect object because they are the ones receiving the cake. The word cake is the direct object because it is what is being given. Here are more examples to understand indirect objects. In Mom baked us cookies, us is the indirect object receiving the cookies, which is the direct object. In we sent her invitation, her is the indirect object receiving the invitation. The indirect object always comes after the verb and before the direct object. It answers the questions to whom or for whom the action of the verb is done. For example, in she gave him a gift, him is the indirect object receiving the gift. Here are more sentences for practice. Coach gave team instructions shows team as the indirect object receiving instructions. In John bought Mary a ring, Mary is the indirect object receiving the ring. The same idea can be expressed using an indirect object or a prepositional phrase. For example, she gave me a book is the same as she gave a book to me. Both sentences have the same meaning, but the structure changes. An indirect object is a noun or pronoun that receives the direct object of the verb. It always answers the question to whom or for whom the action is done. Remember, the indirect object is placed between the verb and the direct object in a sentence. Practicing these will make understanding grammar easier.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.